Subroto lawan Uzbekistan. So thank you very much. Pak Paya Wabuli program bahasa penyakit maka instruction dari skul boroa atau bahasa drone pandang tempat yang lain duduk di skul duduk bila itu sitong doyok kempi nang iba 18 ini
I now invite
You favorite player? Messi.
My name is Imran Timur Barto.
Chinong ni? Namukla. Mukla. Ha? Mukla. Nalat mukla. Tak.
I'm from Mausran. My aim in life I become to Myntri teaching. My aim in life is to become professional footballer. And my favorite player is Lionel Messi. I'm from Rakong. My aim in life football. My favorite player Neymar. Tak. Ronaldo. My name is Jylla. I want to be a professional.
Suchang Ozil Liangshang Kintang Suna Kinsai Bosco Manar Precious Lindo Emil Timon Meshan I Sintem Kirshan Lam Cherman Osoni Lindo Medapinhun Suchang I Kapmalai Fredison Tariang Justin Lindo Hadirin jangan nol beting dan kerpan ia ke tim jangan OM Roy Memorial Higher Secondary School jangan under 7.
No doubt as a government, it is our endeavor to see that all the schools in our state should come and participate. But it is so unfortunate and so sad that very few turn up, very few schools turn up. They have a lot of excuse to give that it might affect the academics and so on and so forth. But I must say that really North Liberty Higher Secondary School and OM Roy Memorial Higher Secondary School have really shown that if you have a passion, like the word goes, if there is a will, there is a way. And I must thank you, and at the same time, I think, let's give yourself a big round of applause. You are the state champion today. You are the state champion, and you are going today to represent us at the national and international level.